Aaron has the same phone?
That's a pretty cool ring.
Everybody has the same. Hey, why don't you take a picture of us with our same phone?
You got one too.
I'm just kidding.
Why do you guys all have the same phone?
That looks really dumb.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now that's...
So,
Hey.
I'll care very quick.
Where the fuck is it? Right in here.
Probably got it taped to the bottom of the chair. He's probably got it taped to the bottom of, no?
Nope.
Hi, this is Brian from Guardian Alarm. I'm one of the in-house Joe.
Booth, if you flip me off and I get it on camera, I'll tell you where it's at.
I would look at that. Yeah, I mean, they'll come back if they need to.
Probably got it in Debbie's purse, and she's gonna stomp the crap out of you. No, it's, the sound is predominant here.
Computer, I'm going to need you to edit together about 15 video files so I can put them on YouTube. They're all 17 seconds long.
Send it in my email. It's right in here somewhere.
Right. Yeah. Did you get
Which one? Yeah.
Yes. Right. The way you stay on have much luck. Yeah, yep, I actually pulled those in. I did them on put you in test here. In case something ever happens. Yeah, all right. Are you viewing what he's looking at right now? Yeah, it does.
Oh, that shit. We're both looking at top. Oh.
It'll do the same thing as long as.
Come on, one more time.
Run it there, quick.
You just gave me a temporary fix.
I love everything about this.
Booth. Come on. Tell me where it's at.
I think we just killed the battery. Oh.
Okay.